Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, September 6, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The indexes wavered on Thursday as investors mulled mixed labor market data ahead of Friday's August jobs report. The benchmark S&P 500 index and the Dow Jones ended lower in choppy trading on Thursday after a short-lived boost from a string of economic reports faded and investors eyed key jobs data due on Friday. The Nasdaq 100 was little changed and finished slightly higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 219 points or 0.54% to 40,756. The S&P 500 lost 17 points or 0.30% to 5,503, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 43 points or 0.25% to 17,128. The Russell 2000 declined 0.6% to 2,132. A gauge of the Magnificent Seven mega caps rose 1.6%. Markets were edgy ahead of the release of the comprehensive non-farm payrolls data, which will likely set the stage for Federal Reserve to begin cutting rates later this month. In August, US private employers hired the fewest workers since January 2021, and data for the prior month was revised lower, potentially hinting at a sharp labor market slowdown. September has been historically weak for US equities, with the S&P 500 down about 1.2% for the month on average since 1928. The index is down more than 2.5% so far this week, and tech stocks have fallen about 4.8%. The S&P 500 posted 42 new 52-week highs and 9 new lows, while the Nasdaq Composite recorded 43 new highs and 136 new lows. 8 out of the 11 S&P 500 sectors lost ground, led by declines in healthcare and industrial stocks. The consumer discretionary sector led the gainers, driven partly by Tesla. Tesla gained nearly 5% after the electric vehicle maker said it will launch its full set driving advanced driver assistant software in the first quarter next year in Europe and China, pending regulatory approval. In other corporate news, Nvidia Corporation climbed, with analysts saying the recent plunge created a buying opportunity. In late hours, Broadcom Incorporated slumped on a tepid forecast. Frontier Communications slumped 10% after Verizon said it would buy the company in an all-cash deal worth $20 billion. Verizon shares dipped 0.4%. JetBlue Airways jumped 7% after the carrier raised its third quarter revenue forecast. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, is at $72.69 per barrel. Gold is back about $2,500 at $2,517 per ounce. The yield on the benchmark 10-year US Treasury note is 3.733%. In short, a Goldilocks economy, not too hot, not too cold, is what the equity markets require. See you Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.